Welcome back to Wheel World. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, a car that truly sets the bar for modern luxury sedans. From its sleek design to cutting-edge features, this car screams sophistication and power. Starting with the front end, the Hyundai Grandeur 2025 commands attention with its bold, diamond-patterned grille. Hyundai has clearly designed this car to turn heads, with the grille flowing seamlessly into sleek LED headlights that offer a futuristic and aggressive look. The lights are not just stylish, they're precision-engineered to provide optimal visibility for nighttime driving. Moving to the side, the Grandeur's aerodynamic silhouette is a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness. Its flowing lines emphasize both speed and luxury, making this car not only beautiful but also highly efficient when cutting through the wind. The gloss black finish complements the subtle chrome accents, giving it a modern yet timeless look. Now let's talk about the rear. The Grandeur's taillights run the width of the car, creating a sleek, continuous light bar that enhances its high-tech appearance. The dual exhaust system integrated into the rear bumper adds a sporty edge to its refined elegance, signaling that this sedan isn't just about looks, it's built to perform too. From the front grille to the sleek rear design, the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur is redefining what luxury means in a sedan. Its futuristic aesthetics and cutting-edge design make it a serious contender for anyone looking to elevate their driving experience. What do you think? Is the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur the ultimate luxury sedan? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive car reviews right here on Wheel World. Until next time, drive safe.